As we move into the final hours of this by-election campaign and as voters here in Wexford go to the polls, the Fine Gael candidate is trying a desperate last-minute pitch to present herself as somebody who tells it as it is, and even though she won't take part in public debates, is claiming that she's been blocked out by the big bad media. This is the oldest trick in the political book. What she's doing is trying to deflect attention from Fine Gael's failures in areas like health and housing. What she's doing is shameful, by trying to blame a group of minorities and distract attention from the real issues that count in this constituency. Ireland is better than that, and Wexford is better than that. If Fine Gael succeeds in this election, it will be viewed as an endorsement of their failed policies in health and housing and other areas. But secondly, it will also be seen that this shameful strategy works. And you can be certain that in the run-up to the general election next year, they and others on the far right will try this again. I'm asking for your support on Friday the 29th of November to ensure that Fine Gael is held to account for its failure to invest in Wexford and also its failures in areas like health and housing. I'm also asking you to reject this shameful strategy by the Fine Gael candidate. On Friday, please vote Malcolm Byrne, number 1. Thank you.